Welcome to week 3. So this week is your first written assignment, which is for 25 points and is actually going to be on univariate data, which is one variable data. So let us look at what all are the documents that have been uploaded on D2L for this week. So if you look at the documents for this week, you have a chapter 2 from the Hulk, the PPT. This is the video that that explains each and every slide on your PowerPoint. And then this is the outline that you have for your chapter 2. Chapter 2 of Hulk deals with univariate data. You have to understand what is the data, right? You're going to collect data here. What kind of data are you collecting, which is really important to know the scale, right? So here is another one. If you go down, so here is where I uploaded a subfolder which talks about types of data, because when you go further into the semester, you're going to do some sort of statistics on it. You're going to do either a t-test, an ANOVA, MANOVA, whatever you're going to be doing. You can only do those on ratio types of or interval types of data. So are you collecting nominal data? Are you collecting ordinal data, or what type of data? So here is a little bit about this. I would highly recommend for you to read it. There is a PDF of different kinds, an additional document. Just keep this in mind, because everything that you're doing is building on to that final research paper that you're going to be doing. So here is what we have is the more extensive so here is your univariate data examples. The examples that are in this are going to be used for your assignment. Here is a video that talks explicitly about each and every aspect of that example, the context, the data that you have, all of those things. I also put some additional documents for you to know about skewness and what do you have to remember while reporting the statistics. So if you look at this document gives you an idea of what is the symbols of it and other so things like that. So let me go back and open up the univariate data example. As you can see, this is example 1 and it gives you all of the data for it. It gives you the raw data. It talks about these questions that you have. And so if you look at this, your assignment is exactly like that. So your assignment is using that example and then answering the questions. So I talk about each and every aspect of it in the video, but I am telling you where to find the answers, what should be the answers, and sometimes I actually give away the answers. Tried very hard not to, but it was difficult. This was a difficult video to make. But you are getting where to look for answers, what it is. This is really going to help you. This assignment is really going to help you for your demographics aspect, the participants and the demographic aspects for your final research paper. So as you go on, for every assignment, I'll be telling you how is this adding on to your final paper. So I rather say you do this, and at the same time, if you can have a Word document going on when you start taking notes about your own research project. Okay, I'm going to do in the school settings. I'm doing it with my students. Let me write down some of those notes. This many females, this many percentage, and all of those things. So you have already built on your final paper as you go about. So this is what is due this week. Readings, all of these is there. You have your book, additional sources, and the assignment, and here is your Dropbox for your written assignment 1. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. This is going to be posted right over here, which says watch me first for week 3. Best of luck.